Good morning, dear parents and my dear children. Parents, those who have fee dues for the last academic year, please kindly pay before 10th of this August. Okay, parents, thank you. Children, back to our class. In last class, we discussed about how many number of shapes can be formed by using given number of mastics. Today also, I'm going with the same topic. Okay, I'm going to explain some examples. Okay, children, listen to me carefully. So here we have a table. Okay, serial number of mastics, number of shapes can be formed. Okay, children, our first number I took 7. Okay, what is our order, children? First triangle, next rectangle, and third one square, isn't it, children? For triangle, what we need to do? We need to check whether the given number is equal to 3 or bigger than 3. So 7 is bigger than 3, so we can able to make a triangle. Okay, and next one, and rectangle. For rectangle, what we need to do? We need to check whether the given number is even or not. So 7 is odd number, isn't it, children? Do we get 7 the 2 table? How to check? How to check even numbers, children? We need to check in 2 table. Okay, the number which is divisible by 2, those numbers are called even numbers. So do we get 7 in the 2 table? No. Children, one more point you should keep remember here. Children, we get 4 and 2 in the 2 table. So 2 and 4 are even numbers. But even though we are not able to make a rectangle using 2 and 4 mastics. Why? Because how many number of mastics are required to make a rectangle? Minimum number of mastics? Okay, 6. Do you remember, children? Minimum number of mastics required to make a triangle? 3. For rectangle, 6. And for square, 4. Do you remember, children? Yeah, we should remember these points also. Okay, these points also we should keep remember. Okay, so 7 is odd number, no issue. So we cannot able to make a rectangle. And do we get 7 for square? What we need to do? We need to check in 4 table, isn't it, children? Do we get 7 in the 4 table? No. So we cannot able to make a rectangle using 7 number of mastics. Why? Because it is odd number, and we cannot able to make a square using 7 mastics. Why? Because we won't get 7 in the 4 table. So how many number of shapes can be formed? Only one, that is triangle. Okay, children, next problem. 14. Okay, children, similar same way we need to check. Okay, and 14 is bigger than 3, so we can able to make a triangle. And second one, do we get 14 in the 2 table? For rectangle, what we need to do, children? We need to check in 2 table. And for square, we need to check in 4 table. Okay, so do we get 14 the 2 table? Yes, so we can able to make a rectangle. Do we get 14 in the 4 table? No. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 14 is missing, isn't it, children? So we cannot able to make a square. So how many number of shapes can be formed? Square and rectangle, only 2. Okay, children? Yeah, next one. Third one. Yeah, 24. Okay, children? So 24 is bigger than 3, so we can able to make a triangle. Okay, 24 is bigger than 3, so we can able to make a triangle. Okay, next. So I think you know 2 table till 10 only. 2 tens are 20. But 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. Okay, children? Yeah. We are getting 24 in the 2 table. Okay? Okay? 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. Not only in this way, children, do you know properties of multiplication? If you change the order, but result remains same. Okay? 2 12s are 24. 12 2s are also 24. If you interchange the numbers, but results should be same, isn't it? Okay? So, we are getting 24 in the 2 table. So, we can able to make rectangle also. Similarly, for square, what we need to do? We need to check it in the 4 table. Do we get 24 in the 4 table? Yes. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. So, we can able to make square also. So, we can able to make triangle, we can able to make rectangle, and we can able to make a square also. So, 3 shapes can be formed using 24 matchsticks. Which number? 18. Let me take 18. Okay. Yeah. So 18. Similarly, same method. 18 is bigger than 3, so we can able to make triangle. So next to do 18, we are getting in 2 table. 2 9s are 18, so we can able to make rectangle also. Do we get 18 in the 4 table? 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Isn't it, children? 18 missing, we won't get. So we cannot able to make a square using 18 matchsticks. So how many shapes can be formed? Only 2, that is triangle and rectangle. Okay, children, let me take one more example. So I'm taking 11. Similarly, 11 is bigger than 3, so we can able to make triangle. 11 is even or odd, children? How to check? We need to check it in 2 table, isn't it? Do we get 11 in the 2 table? No. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 11 is missing, we won't get. So we cannot able to make rectangle. Do we get 11 in the 4 table? No. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 11 is missing, we won't get. So, we cannot able to make a square also. So, how many shapes can be formed? Only one, that is triangle. So, in this way, you can take any number and you can check like this. Okay, children? Children, we'll meet in the next class. Take care.